test distribution. Okay, see the formula x1 bar. We have to find out the mean of f test distribution. X1 bar summation x1 by n, x2 bar summation x2 divided by n. See why we need to find out these two, because of we have to find out s1 square. Okay, summation x1 minus x1 bar whole square divided by n1 minus 1, s2 square summation x2 minus x2 bar whole square divided by n2 minus 1. See here n1 and n2 is there is nothing but, see, number of observation is one tabular column, number of observation from another tabular column. Okay, this is our main f test distribution formula, that is s2 square divided by s1 square. See the problem first. Okay, the problem will be the following table is the number of units produced per day by two workers A and B for same day. Can we say that worker is more stable than worker B? Use 5% level of significance. Okay, if 5% level of significance, the value will be 4.88. Okay, worker A is given and worker B is given. See, worker A will be how many observations are there? I can consider for worker A as x1, worker B as x2. Okay, worker A as x1 and worker B as x2. Okay, in x1 how many observations are there? I call it as n1 for worker A. 1 2 3 4 5 6 observations are there. For n2 6 7 8 observations are there. Understood? See, let us see the problem first, how to solve by using the data. See, worker A, I am considering worker A. This is, I call it as x1. What I required, I need to find out before for finding the column, I should find out the mean of this worker A. How? x1 bar summation x1 divided by n1. Okay, see n1 we already finding, no, that is n1 as 6. Then summation x1 also we have to find out. Summation x is nothing but sum of this worker A. Okay, sum of this worker A, we will get 222. When we are adding this data, no, we will get 222. That 222 you can substitute here. n1 will be 6. You will get the value as 37. This is x1 bar value, mean value. See, after that what we need to find out? x1 minus x1 bar we can find out. Then x1 minus x1 bar whole square we have to find out. Why we have to find out these two? We have to find out this s1 square. In this s square, summation x1 minus x1 bar whole square is there. Correct, no? So that's the reason we are finding here. We are finding these two columns. See, x1 first value will be 40. For x1 first value will be 40 minus what is x1 bar we are getting, that is 37. Answer will be 3. Like that, you should calculate for each and every value. What is the answer for this? Minus 7. Okay, see, then you can square this one, you will get 9. You will get your as 49. After that, you should add the column. You will get summation x1 minus x1 bar whole square 80. Okay, this 80 you can substitute in the formula of f s1 square. So 80 divided by n1 minus 1 means 6 minus 1. 80 divided by 5, answer will be 60. See, likewise, we need to calculate for worker B also. Same worker B you can take, add the worker B and x2 minus x2 bar. Before we have to find out, we should know the formula of x2 bar. You add that some value you can substitute here. Number of observation will be 8. You will get x2 bar will be 39.37. This 39.37 you can subtract for this worker B, this x2. You will get the column of x2 minus x2 bar. Then you square it, you will get x2 minus x2 bar whole square. Then sum it, you will get the value. That value you can substitute in s2 square. Finally, we are getting s1 and s2 square values that you can substitute in the main formula of f distribution. You are getting 2.790. That value you can compare to the f test distribution, 5% level of significance. Which one is bigger? what they given no in a problem itself, that 5% level of significance is a more, so it is a less than that, so hypothesis is accepted.